No, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes. Clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I didn't do it all alone. I just got a job offer and I just accepted. And I'm graduating law school May 2025. Right now it's January 24, 2025. But I will be working in criminal court, so that's even more exciting for me. Everything in my education background and resume has been leading up to this point. I'm going to be clerking for a criminal court judge in New Jersey, Superior Court. Fall 2025 to fall 2026 is completely secured, and right now I'm about to sign my, what is it called? My acceptance letter. So this has been a really long journey. I know it's January and you don't have to find a job right away, but you have to be looking, and because it takes a while. And so for me to have my job secured for when I graduate from law school in January, and I'm not starting until the end of August, early September, I am extremely grateful, because that is a weight that's lifted off my shoulder that I don't have to worry about. And not only is it just a job, it's literally the best case scenario for me. I'm so excited because literally my judge is so kind, genuine. She is dedicated to mentorship. She has this even motherly effect about her, and she's gonna give me plenty of feedback on my writing and continuously give me assignments and put a lot of responsibility on me. And that type of pressure, but in a good environment, can really help someone grow, and that's exactly what I'm looking to do. 3 years of law school is great. You can learn a lot, but your learning is not done, and there are always going to be certain areas that need to be strengthened. And legal research and writing is something you will constantly be doing as an attorney, and a clerkship is like the #1 best way to improve that and really set yourself apart for career options in the future. People are always looking for people who have done a clerkship, and they really think that's a remarkable thing to have on your resume. So as you can understand, it's a competitive process to get an interview or even to get a job offer. So I'm extremely grateful to God. I'm extremely grateful to everyone who I went to for advice, for the people who wrote my letters of recommendation and stood as references for me. And my judge said how these references were excellent, and they had nothing but great things to say about me. And I'm so happy, because I've been working so hard the past 3 years in law school, and sometimes the grades don't show the effort that you put in. And so from an early stage in law school, I realized my grade is not going to be what defines me. Before I receive my grade, I need to recognize in myself that I did amazing. And I'm a first generation college and law student, and here I am 25 years. Oh, I'm not 25 yet, but I will be turning 25 in March, and then I'm going to be a 25-year-old attorney. I went straight through from undergrad. Everything in my education background and resume has been leading up to this point. When I was in college, one of my majors was criminology, the other was psychology. I did an internship within the criminal justice system, restorative justice. Came to law school because I wanted to help see where I fit in to help reform the criminal justice system, whatever that looked like, and took criminal law classes. I took criminal litigation drafting. I worked for a public defender's office my first summer of law school, so I got to go to Manhattan Criminal Court. I got to see what that looked like to be a public defender. And then what next? Now this semester I'm in criminal procedure for a class. I'm in trial and arbitration advocacy. And in the fall I worked for the federal litigation clinic at my school, so I worked on criminal and civil cases. It was 5 credits, but I it was a field work portion to it. So there was a class, and then I got to do actual cases, and I was on a small team and really got to understand what it's like to work within being a federal defender, I guess you could say. And now I'm gonna be clerking for a criminal court judge in New Jersey, Superior Court. And so also, don't limit yourself to state, city. Like, although my school's in Manhattan, I live in New Jersey, like right next to Manhattan, but technically New Jersey. And now I'm gonna be in Newark, New Jersey for my clerkship. And who knows, I might go back to Philly when this is done. I might go back to New York. It doesn't matter. But just, I'm open, and I've always been open throughout this entire journey, willing to pivot into different things. My resume also has other things that I haven't mentioned, but I'm just painting the picture that criminal law and criminology and just understanding how the criminal justice system works has always been something that I've been doing a very deep dive in over the past few years, and I'm really, really grateful. And I encourage you all who are watching me now to just keep going, because there are literally no limits as long as you just try to do what you think you want to do. Because once you get there, you're going to be like, maybe this isn't it for me. But the best thing you can do is try, because a lot of people aren't even doing that much. So there's not as much competition out there as you think. There is going to be some friendly competition, but no one will ever be in your spot. No one will ever take away a position that belongs to you. There are plenty to go around. So if you're in law school, if you're about to be in law school, please don't limit your beliefs. Not even because of your grades, not even because of your background. Do not limit yourself whatsoever. Now I'm here, and I'm really excited, and I look forward to this clerkship. Wish me luck. Not that I need it, because no, I'm not lucky. I'm blessed. Yes. Clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I didn't do it all alone. We